First, make sure that you have updated WhatsApp to the latest version. Then open the app. Next, tap the three vertical dots located in the top right corner. A drop-down menu will appear. Tap on Settings. From the list of options, select Account. At the bottom, you will see the new Logout option. If it is not visible, wait a little longer, as WhatsApp is gradually rolling out this feature to all users. Now tap on it. From the confirmation window, tap Log Out. You will then be signed out of your WhatsApp account on that device, and you will need to log in again to access your chats and messages. WhatsApp has currently rolled out the Log Out feature for Android users only. It is not yet available for iPhone users. So that's how you can log out of WhatsApp on your Android device.